What's up, guys? Charles here. The M.2 XPANDER-AERO slider is a new product showcased at Computex. The card may look like a graphics card and even uses a cooler similar to MSI's entry-level graphics under the Aero brand. But this PCIe card is not for graphics. Instead, the card is an expansion card with support for M.2. PCI Gen 5 SSDs. It can hold up to 2 SSDs in the 22100 form factor. And what's interesting is that it supports hot swapping. This means users can remove either SSD at any time if necessary. The Aero fan design provides optimal cooling for NVMe SSDs. It supports two options, either stopping the fans manually if using SSDs that may not require active cooling, or an automatic mode when M.2 SSDs are removed. MSI also mentions that it supports 4M2, easy access LEDs, although it is unclear what MSI means by that. It sounds like a status LED that will inform users of the correct installation. Interestingly, it features one 6-pin power connector, although technically speaking, the PCIe slot is more than enough to support 2 SSDs, even of Gen 5 technology. The product should not be confused with the M.2 XPANDER-Z Gen 5, which is an adapter supplied with MSI Meg AMD X 670E boards. That product also expands support by adding 2 additional M.2 interfaces at the cost of one PCIe Gen 5 interface. However, the XPAnder-Z Gen 5 features a single-slot design. MSI is said to be launching the new card in a few months. One might wonder if this means it will be added as an accessory for AMD X870E and Intel Z890 motherboards. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.